Exercise 12.3. Let us have question number 3 of the same exercise. Find the area of shaded region if ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. So here in this figure we have to find the area of shaded region, where it is already given ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. Measurement of this side is given 14 cm. Measurement of this side is also 14 cm. 14 cm, 14 cm. Since it is the square, hence the measurement of all the four sides will be equal. Now, APD and BPC are two semicircles. To find the area of shaded region, we have to subtract the area of both the semicircles from the area of square. So let us see the solution of this question. First of all, we are going to find the area of square ABCD. So here we can write area of square ABCD will be equals to side square. As we know, the area of square is equals to side square. Measurement of side is given 14 centimeters. So here we can write 14 centimeter whole square, or we can say 196 centimeter square. After finding the area of square, now we will find the area of both the semicircles. So here we can write area of semicircle APD is equals to pi r square upon 2. To find the area of semicircle, we can use the formula pi r square upon 2. On the place of pi, we can write 22 upon 7. Radius is already given. Since this is the diameter, the radius will be equals to 7 centimeters. So here we can write 7 centimeter whole square divided by 2 also. So here we can write 11, and 11 multiplied by 49 upon 7 centimeter square. So it will be equals to 77 centimeter square. The area of this semicircle is 77 centimeter square. The area of this semicircle will also be equals to 77 centimeter square, because both are the identical semicircles. Both are having the same radius. So here we can write area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equals to area of square minus area of semicircle APD minus area of semicircle BPC. So here we can write area of square, we are having 196 centimeter square. 196 centimeter square minus area of semicircle APD, we have calculated 77 centimeter square, and area of this semicircle will also be equals to 77 centimeter square. So here we can write 196 centimeter square minus 154 centimeter square, and after subtracting these two, we will have 4 centimeter square. So 42 centimeter square. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us have question number 6 of the same exercise. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Find the area of the design. So here in this question, it is given that there is a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. Radius of this table cover is given 32 centimeter. So here we can write, suppose the name of this point I have taken O. Measurement of OA is given 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC. So here ABC is an equilateral triangle, and these are the design. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. Then we have to find the area of this design. To find the area of this design, First of all, we have to find the area of circle, then area of equilateral triangle. After that, we have to subtract the area of equilateral triangle from the area of circle to get the area of design. So we are going to extend this AO to the base, and this point I am taking D. Now here AD is the median of triangle ABC, because whenever we are drawing the perpendicular in equilateral triangle, then it will be perpendicular as well as it will act like a median also. It will divide BC into two equal parts, means BD and DC both will be equal. So let us see the solution of this question. The very first thing is that we must find the measurement of the side of equilateral triangle. So here we can write measurement of OA is given 32 centimeter. As we know, this OA is equals to 2/3 of AD. Since AD is the median, hence we can say this OA is equals to 2/3 of AD. Now here on the place of OA we can write 32 is equals to 2/3 of AD. Hence AD will be equals to 32 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. Hence measurement of AD we got 48 centimeter. This is the measurement of AD. Measurement of AD we got 48 centimeter. Now we are going to find the measurement of AC. To find the measurement of AC, we can take suppose the measurement of AC is equals to X centimeter. Then measurement of BC will also be X, AB will also be X. Since measurement of BC is X, hence we can say DC will be equals to X upon 2, because AD is the median of this triangle ABC. That's why if the measurement of BC is equals to X, then DC will be equals to X upon 2. Similarly, BD will also be equals to X upon 2. So here we can write in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, AC square will be equals to AD square plus DC square. Now here we can write the value of AC. Value of AC I have taken X. So here we can write X square is equals to AD. Measurement of AD we have calculated 48. So we can write here 48 square plus DC. Measurement of DC will be equals to X upon 2, and here we can write whole square. So X square is equals to 48 square plus here we can write X square upon 4. X square minus X square upon 4 is equals to 48 square, or here we can say 3x square upon 4 is equals to 48 square. Hence x square will be equals to 48 square into 4 divided by 3, and finally we can write here x will be equals to 48 multiplied by 2 divided by root 3. Hence we can write here 96 upon root 3. This is the measurement of x. So we got the length of side of equilateral triangle. After getting the length of side of equilateral triangle, now we are going to find the area of equilateral triangle. Here we can write area of equilateral triangle ABC will be equals to root under 3 upon 4 into side square. Root under 3 upon 4 into measurement of side we are having 96 upon root 3. Whole square will be there. And after solving this one, we will have the area of this equilateral triangle is equals to 768 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of triangle ABC is equals to 768 root 3 centimeter square. After that we will find the area of circle. Area of circle, here we can write area of circle is equals to pi into radius square. On the place of pi we can write 22 upon 7. Radius, measurement of radius is given 32. Square we can write here. 22 upon 7, square of 32 will be 1024. After solving this one, we will have 22,528 upon 2 centimeter square. So this is the area of circle. Area of circle. Now we are going to find the area of design. To find the area of design, we can write here area of design will be equals to area of circle minus area of equilateral triangle. So here we can write area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. Area of circle we are already having 22,528 upon 2 minus area of triangle we have calculated 768 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of design. Now let us consider question number 10 of the same exercise. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region and we have to find the area of this shaded region. Area of triangle ABC is given. So let us see the solution of this question. Here we can write area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 17,320.5 centimeter square. To find the area of shaded region, we have to subtract all the three sectors. This is the very first sector, this is the second sector, this is the third sector. We have to subtract the area of all the three sectors from the area of equilateral triangle to get the area of this shaded region. Area of triangle ABC is given. Now we have to find out the measurement of the side. As we know, area of equilateral triangle ABC will be equals to root under 3 upon 4 into side square. Area of triangle is given 17,320.5 centimeter square will be equals to, on the place of root 3 we can assign the value 1.73205 upon 4 into side square will be as it is, there will be no change. Now here we can write 17,320.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 1.73205 is equals to side square. So these two will be cancelled by 10,000 and the measurement of side will be equals to 200 centimeter. So we got the length of side of equilateral triangle, that is equals to 200 centimeter. According to the question, with each vertex of the triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to the half of the length of the side. The radius of this sector is half the length of the side. So we are going to find the area of this sector, then the radius will be equals to, suppose this point I have taken as D, this point I have taken as E, this point I have taken as F. So AD and BP both will be equal and measurement of both will be equals to 100 centimeter because the length of AB is 200, hence measurement of AD and DB both will be equals to 100 centimeter. Now we are going to find the area of this sector. As we know, in an equilateral triangle, the measurement of each angle is equals to 60 degree. It is a property of equilateral triangle. The measurement of all the angles equals to 60 degree. Now we are going to find the area of sector. Area of sector will be equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Now on the place of pi we have to assign 3.14 multiplied by radius square. So here we can take the radius 100 centimeter square into theta. Angle is given 60 degree divided by 360 degree. So we can solve this one. Divided by 6 also. 3.14 into 1000 divided by 6 centimeter square, and after solving this one we will have 15,700 divided by 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of one sector. Now the area of the second sector and the third sector both will be equals to this one, because all are identical. Measurement of all the angles are equals to 60 degree, and radius of each sector is equals to 100 centimeter. Now let us see how to find the area of shaded region. Here we can write area of shaded region will be equals to area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC minus area of sector multiplied by 3. Since we are having 3 sectors, so we have to subtract the sectors, all the sectors from the area of this triangle. So here we can write area of triangle ABC we are already having in the very first line of the solution, 17,320.5 centimeter square minus 3 multiplied by area of one sector we have already calculated, 15,700 upon 3. Now 3 and 3 both will cancel, and finally here we can write 17,320.5 minus 15,700 centimeter square. After subtracting these two, we will have 1,620.5 centimeter square. So this is the final solution of this question. Now let us consider question number 13 of the same exercise. In the given figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. OPBQ is the quadrant of a circle. If measurement of OA is given 20 centimeter, O to A is given 20 centimeter, then find the area of the shaded region. This shaded region, area of this shaded region we have to find out. Let us see how to find the area of this shaded region. We have to calculate the area of this quadrant, then we have to calculate the area of square. After that we have to subtract the area of square from the area of quadrant to get the area of shaded region. So let us see the solution of this question. Measurement of OA is given 20 centimeters. So here we can write OA is equals to 20 centimeter. After that we have to find the radius of this quadrant, that is equals to OP. OP is the radius of the quadrant. Now let us see how to find the radius of the quadrant. We can join O to B. This OB is also the radius of the quadrant. Radius of this quadrant and diagonal of the square both are equal. So first of all we are going to find the diagonal of this square. Here we can write diagonal of square. Diagonal of square is equals to root under 2 into side. This is the formula of diagonal of square. Now here we can write root 2 will be as it is. Measurement of side of square is given 20 centimeters. So we can write here 20 centimeter. And finally we can write here 20 root 2 centimeter. So this is the diagonal of the square. Diagonal of the square is equal to the radius of the quadrant. So here we can write radius of quadrant. Radius of quadrant will be equals to, radius of quadrant is equals to, hence radius of quadrant will be equals to 20 root 2 centimeter. After finding the radius of quadrant, now we will find the area of quadrant. Area of quadrant will be equals to 1 upon 4 into pi r square. This is the formula to find the area of quadrant. 1 upon 4 will be as it is. On the place of pi we have to use 3.14. Radius we have already calculated 20 root 2 centimeter square. So here we can write 1 upon 4 into 3.14. The square of 20 root 2 will be equals to 800. And after solving this one, we will have 628 centimeter square. So this is the area of quadrant. After that, we will find the area of square OABC. So here we can write area of square OABC is equals to side square. Area of square is equals to side square. So we can write here 20 centimeter whole square is equals to 400 centimeter square. After finding both the areas, now we will find the area of shaded region. So here we can write area of shaded region will be equals to area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square OABC is equals to area of quadrant we have calculated 628 centimeter square minus area of square we are having 400 centimeter square. So here we can write 228 centimeter square. Area of shaded region will be equals to 228 centimeter square. This is the final solution of this question. Now let us have question number 16 of the same exercise. Calculate the area of design region in the given figure common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 8 centimeter each. The radius of this quadrant is given 8 centimeter. So here we have to find the area of this design. Suppose the name of this vertex I have taken A, this vertex I have taken B, this one is C, this one is D. Measurement of all the angles are given equals to 90 degree. Now we are going to join A to C also. To find the area of design, first of all we will find the area of quadrant A, B, C, and suppose this point I have taken E. So we are going to find the area of quadrant A, B, C, E. Let us see the solution. Area of quadrant ABCE will be equals to 1 upon 4 into pi r square. This is the formula of area of quadrant. 1 upon 4 will be as it is on the place of pi. We can write 22 upon 7. Here radius of quadrant is given 8. So we can write here 8 square. 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 64. So here we can write 16. So here we can write 352 upon 7 centimeter square. This is the area of this quadrant. If we subtract the area of triangle ABC from the area of quadrant ABCE, then we can get this area. So here this is the segment of the quadrant. So we can write here area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 upon 2 into 8 equals to 32 centimeter square. So area of segment will be equals to area of segment ACE will be equals to area of quadrant ABCE minus area of triangle ABC. So here area of quadrant ABCE we have calculated 352 upon 7 minus area of triangle ABC we have calculated 32. Now we can solve these two. 352 upon 7 minus 224. So here we can write 350. If we will subtract 224 from 352, then it will be equals to 8 to 1 upon 7 centimeter square. So it will be equals to 128 upon 7 centimeter square. Since we are having two segments, so area of shaded region, area of design also we can write. Area of design is equals to, the area of this design consists area of two segments. First segment is ACE, while the second segment is AFC. So here area of design will be equals to 2 multiplied by area of both the segments. And after solving this one, we will have 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is the area of design in the given figure.